Alright, real talk for a second. If you've already yawned today and thought, why am I so tired even though I got like 7 hours of sleep? This is for you. Or maybe you did sleep, had coffee, twice, and you still feel like a phone stuck on 4% by 2 p.m. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not the only one. Actually, studies say almost 1 in 3 adults feels tired all the time. And here's the kicker. It's not just about sleep. Not even close. There's a good chance your energy is leaking in ways you haven't even noticed. Sneaky, everyday things that make you feel drained, foggy, and off. But once you know what they are, you can fix them. And honestly, it's way easier than you'd think. Now, when most people ask, why am I always tired? They usually get hit with the basics, right? Get more sleep, drink more water, cut caffeine, blah blah blah. And hey, those things do matter. But if they actually solved the problem, you wouldn't still feel like you need a nap halfway through your day. What's really going on is that tiredness, or what we call fatigue, doesn't just come from your sleep habits. It's often your body, your brain, or your lifestyle waving a flag, trying to get your attention. So today, I want to walk you through 3 powerful reasons why you're probably always tired, and how to start getting your energy back. Think of it as your personal energy rescue plan. We're going to break it down like this. First, the sneaky ways your sleep is getting sabotaged, even when you think you're doing it right. Second, the silent energy tax your brain is paying every day, thanks to mental clutter and stress. And third, the basic body needs that most of us forget, and that quietly drain your battery. And the best part? I'll give you one small action for each one. Something you can literally start doing today, even if your life is super busy. Sound good? Alright, let's jump into the first big one, sleep. But not just how long you sleep. I'm talking about sleep quality, because you can get 8 hours and still wake up feeling like a zombie if that sleep is trash. Ever felt like you slept the right amount of time, but still woke up groggy and heavy-headed? That's what I call junk sleep. And the worst part? It usually happens because of a few small habits we don't even think about. Like scrolling TikTok or Instagram in bed. That blue light messes with your melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain, hey, it's bedtime. Or eating super late, especially snacks or alcohol. Your body's trying to digest or metabolize stuff while you're trying to rest. And that's not a great combo. And don't even get me started on inconsistent bedtimes. Going to sleep at 10 p.m. one night, then 1 a.m. the next. Your body gets confused. Like, are we nocturnal now? What's the plan here? So here's a quick win you can try tonight. Set a timer on your phone to go off 30 minutes before you want to fall asleep. That's your screens off time. No more scrolling. Read something, stretch, journal, stare at the ceiling. Whatever helps your brain slow down. Your sleep will be deeper, and you'll actually feel rested when you wake up. Okay, now let's move on to energy thief number 2, mental fatigue. This one is huge, especially if you're someone who feels tired even when you've technically rested. Your brain is probably still working overtime, and it's exhausting. Think about it. How many tabs do you have open in your mind right now? Work stuff, bills, texts you haven't replied to, laundry you meant to do yesterday. It's like 100 tiny browser tabs running in the background. And just like a computer, all those tabs slow you down. Decision fatigue, overthinking, too many notifications. Your mind never really shuts off. And that creates a low-grade, constant kind of tired that sleep alone can't fix. So here's your quick win. Do a brain dump. Literally take 5 minutes, set a timer, and write down everything that's cluttering your head. Don't organize it, don't try to solve it, just get it out. I use the Notes app on my phone, or a scrap notebook. Once you dump it out, your brain doesn't have to carry it anymore. It sounds simple, but trust me, the relief is real. All right, last one. And this is the one people overlook the most, the basic body stuff. Because let's be honest, when life gets busy, we skip the simple things first. We sit for hours, we barely move, we forget to drink water, and we grab quick snacks instead of real meals. And then we wonder why we feel sluggish and drained. Here's what's happening. First, dehydration. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired, foggy, and headachy. And if you're only drinking coffee all day, yeah, not helping. Second, lack of movement. I'm not saying hit the gym every day. I'm saying your body needs movement, period. A 10-minute walk, standing up to stretch, taking the stairs, it helps wake up your system. And third, blood sugar crashes. If you're skipping meals, eating sugar-heavy breakfasts, or relying on snacks that spike your energy and then crash it, you're setting yourself up for exhaustion. So here's a quick fix. Start your day with protein. Seriously. Eggs, Greek yogurt, a smoothie with nut butter, anything that gives your body fuel it can actually use. It stabilizes your blood sugar, curbs cravings, and helps you avoid that dreaded 3 p.m. crash. So, to wrap this all up, if you're always tired, it's not just you. And it's not just about more sleep. Think about these 3 things. 1. Are your sleep habits actually helping your body rest? 2. Is your mind overloaded with clutter and stress? And 3. Are you meeting your basic physical needs, or are you running on autopilot? The good news? You don't need a total lifestyle overhaul. Just pick one small change to start with today. Maybe tonight you ditch your phone 30 minutes before bed, or you do a 5-minute brain dump, or you start your morning with something more than just caffeine and vibes. These little shifts can change how you feel, and more importantly, how you show up in your life. If this helped, give it a like. Share it with that one friend who's always saying, "Ugh, I'm so tired." And hit subscribe if you want more tips like this without all the wellness fluff. You've got this. Now seriously, go drink some water. I'll see you in the next one.